Assalamu alaikum everyone. Inshallah everyone's doing well. This is going to be a random haul. Basically I went to 3 shops, Wilko's, Home Bargains and Pound Shop, and bought just bits and bobs. Nothing our bedroom for £12, and they have it in different sizes. So that's that done from Wilko's. I got this organising box also from Wilko's. They have it in different sizes. They have it in like a long strip. They have it in a square. They have it. This is the biggest one, I believe. And I got this because it's got so many different compartments to put all my different things in. All those little things that you don't know where to put them. Yeah, this is where it's going to go. And this was £5, but they vary in sizes and vary in price. So just have a look in your local Wilko's. If not, check their website out and you can grab it from there. We'll get it delivered. Also from there I picked these up because I do a lot of like DIY, home DIY, do-it-yourself stuff, so I know sometimes these become a bit handy. And I think this was like £2. And then I got this tape cutter device thing. Got this because the last week of Ramadan I started wrapping up presents, and this will just make my life so much more easier. The picture already shows you that you put it on your hand and then you just like tear the tape basically. And this was, I think, £2 or £3, I can't remember, but it was roughly around that price region. Then the chocolate coins I got from there as well. These were originally 50p, but they dropped down to 25p, and for Ramadan I definitely picked these up because I do this like thing where she has a calendar, and in each little pocket there'll be a date and there'll be a chocolate. So I stocked up on these. Also from there, a bit random, but I got this quicksand thing. It's so entertaining. Even I loved it. They have it in 4 colours. They're £1 each, but I only got her the first colour, which is this purple pinky one. Well, it says pink on here, but it's actually purple in real life. But hey, that went wrong for the packaging people. Then I got her these Smarties from there. These were £1, and this is just like for treats when she does her homework. When she gets one like letter right, or she gets the answer right, she gets 1 Smartie for each correct answer she gives me. Now from Pound Shop, I didn't buy anything in particular. The thing that I bought was for my daughter. It's like one of those Barbie doll looking things, but a really cheap one. It was so cheap it broke on the same day. Like the arms like both fell off, and it was just so disappointing because she was looking forward to playing with it at home, and then she was swinging it around, and then the arms just popped off. So by the time we got home, her little doll didn't even have arms, and I didn't even know what to do. So probably have to buy it not so cheap one. Anywho, from Pound Shop, apart from that doll, I bought this caddy, this home caddy for inside my cupboard to organize some more of my smaller stuff into these caddies. And I'm going to see if it actually even fits in my drawer because I haven't even tried it. So it looks like this. It was just £1, and that's what I got from there. Then I went to one more thing from Wilko's actually. I got this tie back for my daughter's bedroom, but they only had one, so I picked this one up. And they said when it comes back on stock, which is going to be next week, then I can go and pick up the other one. Or if I really want it badly, I can just order it online and it'll be delivered to the store before that. So I just said, don't worry, I'll just wait. And this was, I want to say £3. I don't know. I'm not going to lie to you. I can't remember, and I lost the receipt. So, yeah, that's that. Next things next. I went to Home Bargains to look for this tray. If you follow me on Snap or you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I've been talking about this tray all week, but I haven't found it sadly. So my daughter wanted these little biscuit things. And the only reason she wanted it is because it's got shimmer and shine. Imagine. And I fell for it. And she hasn't even bothered looking for it at all. But yeah, that's that. Then I just grabbed these. These were 25p each in Home Bargains. So I just grabbed these. I grabbed one of these bags, these shopping bags. I really like the brightness of it. The only thing I regret now is because you can't put it through your arms. It's so small, but hey. And it came in this little bag, which I probably will never use, with a little, you know, whatever that hook thing is called. Then, if you remember, I did a IKEA haul, and I bought that massive jar. It was for this. It was for this. And these are a lot cheaper in Home Bargains than Asda. In Asda, these are £1, and in Home Bargains, they're 65 or 69p. So I bought 2 of them, and I'm going to see if both of them fit in the jar. They should do, but if they don't, it's not the end of the world. I'll just find a plastic bag. Oh, and that sleeveless reusable bag was 79p. It doesn't focus. Yeah. So thank you so much for watching my video. Welcome to the new subscribers. Subscribe to my channel, and please share, like, and subscribe if you haven't already, because so every box is now filled. That's going to be squashed down a lot more, but every box has now something. I feel like I need to get another one of these, so like, because I've got some pins and stuff as well, so I feel like it's got like random stuff. I might do like just a DIY thing, and thing like DIY would be this and this and this, and then I've got just like random things like that.
ومحمدا رسول الله ويكفيني أدنو إليه ساجدا بجبيني اقبل صلاتي وللصواب اهديني يا ربي يا من هو مرشدي أيقنت أن إليك مرادي وموعدي فعشقت كل حروف كتابك مهتدي ومقتدي بنبيك الآمين يا ربي يا من هو مرشدي أيقنت أن إليك مرادي وموعدي فعشقت كل حروف كتابك مهتدي ومقتدي بنبيك الآمين يا ربي يا من هو مرشدي أيقنت أن إليك مرادي وموعدي فعشقت كل حروف كتابك مهتدي ومقتدي بنبيك الآمين.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, everyone. Inshallah, everyone's doing well. Welcome to Khadija. Khadija, Mama is doing a video. Like, can you go in the other room? Can you go in the other room?